fortunes forecast, lucky charms.
Get the dope with your horoscope.
Fortune tellers, how droll. Stop the coach.
Sire, they may be bandits.
Oh, Bobbycock, female bandits? What next? Rubbish. My dear ladies, you have my permission to kiss the royal hands, whichever you like first.
Oh, how gracious and generous.
Sire, did you see what they...
Stop, stop hissing in my ear. Hiss! Oh, you've hissed your last. Yes. Suspicious snake.
Masterfully done, Your Excellency. Now, close your eyes and concentrate. Close your eyes. Tight shut. No peeking, sire. From the mist of time come false spirits. Yoo-hoo.
Okay, little fireflies. Glow, babies. Glow.
We're waiting. Oh, look, sire. Look.
Oh, incredible. Floating spirits.
Naughty, naughty. You mustn't touch, young man.
Dare you strike the royal hand?
You'll break the spell. Just gaze into the crystal ball. Ooh, the lolly. Ooh, the lolly. Oh, a face appears. Oh, a crown on his noble brow.
Oodalali, a crown! How exciting!
His face is handsome, regal, majestic, lovable, and a cuddly face.
Handsome, regal, majestic, lovable, yes, cuddly. Oh, that's me to a T, it really is. Now what?
I see, your illustrious name.
I knew my name! Get on with it!
Your name will go down, down, down in history, of course.
Yes, I knew it! I knew it! You hear that hiss? Oh, you can't. He's in the basket. Don't forget it.